Homa Bay Governor Gladys Wanga has spoken for the first time on speculation that she is looking to deputize President William Ruto in the 2027 general elections. Wanga, while speaking in an interview aired on Friday, December 30th, revealed that she was going to seek re-election as governor of Homa Bay in 2027, stating that she was not eyeing any other top seat aside from her current position as the ODM party chairperson. Her remarks come amid growing speculation that she is likely to become President Ruto's running mate in the 2027 elections, especially after ODM leader Oburu Odinga revealed that the party's lowest position in any coalition negotiations would be that of the running mate.